All right, guys, this is the brand new 2024 Silverado EV. Now, this is a first for Chevrolet, being the first EV Silverados coming out for them. 393 miles of range on this. This is a 3WT, so that means it's a work truck, but it's a fully loaded work truck. One of my favorite features about this Silverado EV is the all-new frunk. So all this opens up. Since it's electric, you don't have a motor up here. You've got all this room that a normal truck does not normally have. It even has an outlet in the front here. So if you're grilling, tailgating, you've got power to do it. Super easy to close. Just give it a tap. Automatically closes for you. Coming around to the side, we've got 18-inch rims on this Silverado. Nice running boards to help get up. It's a big truck, big mirrors, and then take a look at this interior. Like I said, it's a work truck, so it has vinyl seats, rubber floor, super easy to clean out. Then guys, look at this massive back seat in the Silverado EV. Tons of leg room. And if you don't have anybody back here, you can even lift up these seats. You've got a full flat floor. Just an incredible amount of room. It comes from the factory with a nice tonneau cover. It does have a nice tailgate, spray and bed liner. We have all these different outlets here in the bed. That way, if you're camping, grilling, anything at all, you've got tons of power that you can use directly from the truck. General Motors even makes an attachment that you can backfeed the electric power in this straight to your home in case you're ever out of power with these storms we've been having. Lots of towing capability in the all-new Silverado EV, 12,500 pounds right off the back hitch. This is your charge port, level 3 compatible, of course. Inside the all-new Silverado EV, you've got a ton of features. Everything is digital. There's no analog anything anymore. You don't have a start button. It reads the key once you jump in, and it automatically starts up and shuts off for you. Full 360 camera, so you can see what you're doing on those job sites. You can even hook up your trailer right by yourself. So if you're looking for an all-new Silverado EV or any other EV, come and see us here at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake.